everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video we're gonna see one prompt, 5 AI tools and which one wins. So let's get started. The first AI tool is Figma Make, where I simply pasted the ChatGPT prompt for portfolio and click on enter. It simply generates your whole code within 5 minutes. So while it generates, let's take on the another tool, which is Framer. Framer AI, I have simply pasted the same prompt and click on enter. It starts generating. Let's wait for a while. Yeah, here you go. And it replicates your desktop, mobile and tablet. Now the next one is Stitch. Simply I have choose web and pasted the same prompt. Click on enter. It starts generating. Wait for a while. Now I will switch to the another tool which is called UX Pilot. I have simply pasted the same prompt and it starts generating. Let's take on a previous tool, Framer, which makes the wireframe clearly, but I was expecting some UI and animation. It just added the responsiveness. I didn't like much. What your thoughts? Share on the comment. This one is by Stitch. It has 3 variants. First one looks good, clear, giving the minimalist vibe. It added the features and the contact section. The second variant looks much better. And the third variant, I personally feel like it's just enhanced the UI and UX too. So let's take it. You can even generate the things later on if you want to change. This is for UX Pilot. What it generated, yeah, it looks awesome. Like a form basic portfolio, you mean like it's a good start, where it added the grid layout, about me section and contact. It looks amazing. Let's see like what it looks in preview. Preview generate, you can even generate it. So let's see in preview if it has the animation. Oh wow, it has the animation too, guys. Like look at the feel and the vibe of this portfolio. It's not like you can change the colors and extract over there. Let's see this portfolio in the new tab. It looks awesome. Though it doesn't has the animation, but the UI, it's like very minimalist. Let's wait for Figma Make. Hope it also makes a good UI and UX. This one is for Figma Make, where it added the animation, the sleek and minimalist UI. You can see where it added the contact, featured projects and contact. It also looks good. You can even change its responsiveness as you want. So share your thoughts and comments which AI tool has the best portfolio. I personally feel Stitch beats on it and Framer doesn't. Video अच्छी लगी हो, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.